Hi, I'm Nina from Muntinlupa City, Philippines, and I'd like to share with you my review on Ryan Hildreth and his company, cashflowchannels.com. I applied as a voiceover artist and they helped me land a job in 2 week stops. That's how fast they are. They're so reliable and they have such amazing clients. In fact, I love my job so much that I requested for a second client and they helped me land that in a week as well. So if you need a job, whether it be part-time or full-time, I hope you reach out to them because I'm sure that they'll be able to find something for you, something that works as it did for me. And I want to thank Ryan and his team, as well as Elaine, for helping me out throughout this process and just for responding to me whenever I need something to clarify. And I hope that I'll be able to work with the clients that you team me up with for a very long time. I can manage my time so well while earning, and I'm just very happy with the whole process, and I hope that I'll be able to work with you too someday. Who knows, right? Thank you.